Hi, I'm Diana Andrews. I'm the test kitchen manager at Fine Cooking Magazine. In this episode, we use pineapples in cocktails and in salsas, and I'm going to show you how to cut one fresh. So let's first of all see if it is fresh. What we usually do is smell the bottom. If it's fragrant and sweet, you know it's good to go. Some people like to test from pulling a leaf out, but I don't think that's very reliable. So here we go. I'm going to lay the pineapple down on its side. I'm going to take a nice chef's knife, and I'm going to cut about a ½ inch off the top. You could plant this actually and have a nice blossom later on. And we're going to turn it around, take another ½ inch off the bottom. I'm going to prop it back up on its base, and I'm going to slowly cut around the sides of the pineapple and get rid of the skin. It's really sweet smelling. From here, I'll remove the larger eyes of the pineapple with a small paring knife. I'm going to dry off my hands, which you should do because the knife will slip. I'm going to cut it into quarters. Remove the core. Some people preserve the core with sugar and eat that. And from here, you cut it into any shape your recipe requires. You could dice it, serve it in wedges, put it in a blender for a drink, or if you want to make the classic pineapple ring, cut to the width that you like. Take an apple core, just go right into the center, and pop it out. I'm Diana Andrews, and for this and other tips, go to finecooking.tv.